Traditional security tools often miss dormant threats hiding in backup data, leaving organizations exposed during recovery. Malicious files can go undetected for weeks or months, only to resurface during a restore and reinfect systems. Druva threat hunting gives security and backup teams the ability to proactively search backups for indicators of compromise, like known hashes or file types, and stop threats before they reach production again. From a centralized dashboard, teams can create new threat hunts, add in specific hashes obtained from your security team, or take advantage of the Druva IOC library, a constantly updated list gathered from global security vendors. Select the resources that have been indexed and the time frame of the backups to begin a threat hunt. Automatically quarantine infected snapshots, providing InfoSec teams the time to investigate and verify before any recovery is performed. Monitor active threat hunts from the console and download detailed reports to understand which IOCs were found in which backups. Leverage this information to investigate potentially dormant malware sitting on production systems. Eliminate future risks and accelerate confident, clean recovery with Druva threat hunting.